Ayo, gang, ayo, we back at it again with another banger. Man, let's go ahead and get to 1K subscribers, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the video. React to the Dream Tea Kettle, man. Let's get into it.
All right, we need like we need to like.
I don't care.
Okay, no, don't go.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
What?
I've lighted.
Go back. Oh shit!
We need to like.
I don't care.
Okay, no, don't go.
Yours fell hard.
What?
Jordan.
I've lighted and I just laughed so hard.
Ah, what?
You're like, let's go. I don't care. And you just jump in and you die.
Is my stuff still there?
Carlo Dratton donated
That
$1.
nigga fell to his
I love you.
doomsday.
I didn't think it was that far.
He done fell to his deathbed. George done fell to his doomsday, his deathbed.
What? Wait, what?
What the hell is
hell?
You almost
Oh my
fell.
God.
Oh, he's
Going up.
Come
I'm
on.
going up. Oh, you fell in water?
Blasted me into water. What is going on?
I'm getting this enderman.
This is just crazy.
Bro, who would have guessed?
My hole's there.
I'm on 2 hearts.
Oh my god, I'm about to die.
Oh no! Stop! Move!
Yeah.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Wait, is this it?
Yo, the Dream S&Ps is so funny. Hey, gang, hey, yo, bro. Y'all gotta get me into the Dream S&P gang. Come on, y'all gotta get me
What
into
happens when you
that.
fall down my trap? I mean, my hole.
You're trapped. What's wrong? What's wrong with you?
I built up a
You're
bit too high.
You're trapped.
I see your house. I see your house.
Why did you fall down my trap?
I don't know why I even said that. I don't know. Alright, come on.
God,
the
Dream
house?
is on the verge of tears. Party
I
home.
want to know. I don't I see another enderman as well. I think we should turn.
No way.
What the heck, man?
Wait.
Bro, hey, Dream Lab be like, it's like, bro, he needs some water. Like, his throat don't
Where
work.
am I?
Oh my god.
Like,
I'm gonna die.
Dream.
I'm gonna pee.
Dream, you
So-
supposed to be 6?
What?
Like,
You say he's gonna pee himself.
I'm just in a cave or something.
You guys hear this? We'll go outside and chunk it.
Chunk it?
You mean Chuck?
What?
Oh my god.
What's in my? Why did you place netherrack
Dream.
in?
What is wrong with you?
You just got pranked. Guys, legitimately, stop for a minute. Like, I literally have to chill for a minute. Like, just
all the way.
just my trap. Like, why'd you fall? That's what
I
you
really
get
don't know why George, Dream laughing so hard that George
for
will
falling
come
into
to
my
right now.
What the hell's wrong with you,
He
George?
stay weak,
So I'm
though.
drinking water. Stop.
He like,
This guy's a psychopath.
No! What the hell?
Guys, you're gonna drown. Stop.
You get away.
Move!
What the hell? Oh god! Oh my god!
My fault, doesn't it?
George!
I'm dying!
It's in the gravel. Where's the Enderman?
He might have left.
He? Dream.
Look out!
Oh, crap.
Hurry, George! We have to hurry. George.
This way? Yeah. Okay, we come across here.
Dream, go! Oh my god! Go!
Are they still here? Oh my god! We can't get down here. Oh.
Bro, what is all them are them all Yeezys back there? Sheesh.
I'm like sweating. This is how you have genuine fear in Minecraft. It's like, this is like real. We have to test and see if it's working. We haven't been shocked in long enough. No! Okay, it's working. Alright, let's go. Don't!
I'm not.
Don't!
I'm not.
Don't actually. Seriously. I'm 100% serious. Well, stop looking at me. What are you doing?
I'm just looking at you.
What? What? You've got. What? George.
Maybe having
What?
Oh,
George. Leave it alone. I put him sitting in the middle.
Go.
No, you thought really good, didn't you?
Dream. I know your throat hurting for talking like laughing that loud. Please. He like a old man that's so
Attack me? Wait, what? What? Come on, George. I literally suck. What?
He got taken off the map that many times, bro. How many times does bro fall off
Cooked
the map?
wheat? Have you not? What? What? Where were you, Dream?
Dream stay trolling.
What were you doing? Wait, is that a potion effect? You have potion effect. What is that? What is that? Were you actually invisible? There's no way. What?
Oh my goodness.
No! Yeah, be careful.
No!
You idiot!
Please,
Again,
please,
he falls
please. No.
His sap burned.
What happened?
Burnt like off good. He got burnt out.
What?
That's not funny, man. Not funny. I just no.
Dude, are you joking?
Okay, I got it.
What?
Dude, no!
Dude.
I'm not even like doing that on purpose. This is not fun. I don't want to do this anymore. How do I,
He's still wheezing.
how did you get, I keep going to this block to this block. How do I get down? How did you, no! No! Please, game. Dude, I don't. I'm not today. No, please. I should have picked. You're. Dude.
Why snap map
You just
stuck in
died.
the corner? Be stuck in the corner like.
I would
Imagine you just
Wow.
flew away to the ceiling. Oh, I found it for the first time. Let's go. You just yell.
wait.
Well, it's because you have an advantage.
Oh, that's
No,
loud.
no, guys. What the? What? Not
I'm
funny.
gonna have to mute.
It's not funny.
I can't.
How did you do that? How did you actually do that? Behind us.
Dream still laughing. Again.
Get it.
I don't know how his throat don't hurt.
No.
I know this throat and cause of what Dream and them gay moments on Dream, them sus moments. Hey yo! Them sus moments I forgot. Like, and he's still laughing like, oh, wow.
No. We could make a diamond. Wait, did we be here already? Did we be here?
What?
Oh my god, there's a. Eat chicken. What? No!
All the way.
What do we do? Or her. Or it. Wait, what? Oh my god, what is so close to your head? No.
Bro is still
If I see that
going,
water
bro.
or the dumb zombie archway thing one more time, Dream, I
If I
swear.
hear bro wheeze one more time.
I don't know what's
Oh
that.
my gosh. Attack him. He almost batted the mess out of him. He finna bat him again. Look at him. People right. He finna bat the crap out of him. Look. Watch this.
Stop saying it.
Oh, he all the way with it.
What was that? You are so annoying. I had like 35 iron. I don't even have full iron.
He's said he don't got full eyes.
No! The dragon is here again! No! What? What? The dragon was targeting me! The dragon was targeting me! Why are you down? Wait, can we push him off? Push him off the edge! He's gone! Yeah! Yes! Look at him! It's like the actual scene for Terminator! Oh my god!
Yes! He can't die though. He's gonna just get back up to us eventually.
All my friends are dead. Push them to the edge.
What?
Save us!
Man.
George, save us! No! No!
What? Why is everything
George, save us! George! What?
Wait, this big
Lock the door!
So what's our goal? Can you guys get some iron for me, and I'll focus on getting food?
I have a decent amount of food right
There is. I didn't get enough cobblestone.
Oh, he attacked the bad boy.
Where was he?
He's
Just killed me.
I want some of this food.
Get away! Get away from my
Bad
stuff!
boy, shut up.
You mean no?
Wait, is he just spawn killing you?
No! Why did you
Give me my food!
I want the
kill
food.
him.
Go away.
Hello?
Let me get it. Okay, son up. We need to save him. We need to save him.
Getting waxed. He getting tagged. Dream is a goat.
Did you right click this thing?
It's not risky
Oh
at all.
my god, you jumped to that? Make
It's
that?
an easy jump.
Hey man, that nigga's Dream be wheezing his butt off like he smoked cigs like an old man. But it's your boy King. Hey yo! Thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And you already know. Let's get